The Samsung Galaxy Note series is perhaps the most popular flagship series from Samsung, and from the past few years we have got the Samsung Galaxy Note phones with curved displays. In fact, the last Galaxy Note series phone with a flat display launched in 2015 as the Galaxy Note 5. But that's going to change and we are getting our first flat screen Galaxy Note in the past 3 or 4 years. I'm talking about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, which is reported to launch soon in various markets. The official press renders of that phone are now here and they reveal the design from all the sides and also all the color options. First thing first, there is no longer a curved display on the front as the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite has a flat screen. So if you are the one who loves flat displays and doesn't like the curved screens that much, then this could be the phone for you. Moreover, this is a Galaxy Note device, so how can we forget the beloved S Pen? Yes, the S Pen is there as well, and that's not it. The Note 10 Lite has something that even the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus lack, and that's the 3.5mm headphone jack. If you don't know, Samsung removed the headphone jack from its Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus, and this also means in next year's Galaxy S11 and S11 Plus won't have a headphone jack. But that's not the case with the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. The display on the front is the same AMOLED Full HD Plus punch hole panel as the one on Samsung Galaxy Note 10. The punch hole for the single selfie camera is there in the middle and there is also a tiny bottom chin. The Note 10 Lite has a premium glass and metal build like other Samsung flagships, and there is a triple camera setup on the rear. It has a squarish camera module that has 3 cameras as well as the LED flash. So the camera setup has a design similar to the recently launched Samsung Galaxy A51 and Galaxy A71 and the upcoming Galaxy S11 series. While the specifications are not yet known, the phone is most likely powered by the Snapdragon 855 SoC. For Germany, the starting price is expected to be around 669 euros, and if that's right, it means the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite is going to be cheaper than the OnePlus 7T Pro in Germany. So what do you think of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite? Do let me know via the comments section below. I'll catch you in the next one.